What's up, guys? Teacher Nuke City Kicks here, coming at you guys with another video. And today what I have here is an early look at the 2018 Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. Now this is the re-retro colorway with the Nike Air branding on the back. This shoe is set to be released on February 17th at a retail price of $200. Now, first things first, if you were able to get this pair early, you had to confirm these on the Nike sneaker app. To start it off, we have the Nike Air branding on this hang tag. This is a great feature to have. These tags are pretty much a staple to get with, especially with these threes. It also just tops off the Nike Air branding on this shoe itself. Now, the most anticipated part of this sneaker, of course, is the back tab. As you guys can see, we have the Nike Air swoosh on the back of both shoes. Now, the only difference between this pair and the earlier release pairs is that this one actually has this plastic indent on the back. It's like a plastic slash rubber indent, and it's not painted on. It's actually just a pure white plastic slash rubber. I don't know what to call it specifically. But if you guys were to take a look here at the 2011 pair, this one is the same indent, but this Jumpman in the Air is actually painted on. Moving on to the next big feature on this shoe, of course, is going to be the Nike branding on the bottom of the shoe. Now, as you guys can see here, we have a red Nike branding here, and this bottom is practically the same as the pair from 2011, but the only difference, of course, is going to be that the 2011 pair has the Jordan branding at the bottom. Next thing I did notice, however, with these shoes was the overall elephant print on the toe cap. Now, if you guys were to take a look here, 2011 pair on the left side, 2018 pair on the right side, you guys could tell that it is much thicker on the right shoe, which is the 2018 pair, rather than the 2011 pair. This to me was just very inconsistent on the 2011 pair. It just seemed too thin. Elephant print, especially when you get towards the back of the shoe here, is super thick and it just looks right, but when you get here, it just doesn't look as consistent. They pretty much countered this by making the print much thicker, the black print on the toe cap much thicker to match the back elephant print here. One of the next big things that I noticed with this shoe, and it's kind of like a new feature I would per se, is the overall perforated holes on this leather. As you guys can see here, they're much bigger than the 2011 pair. If I was to take that away and show you guys the 2011 pair, you can hardly tell that there's even holes on the side. And it's the same thing that goes for this. Laces are, these are going to be the same for this, as they're much bigger, and it goes for the same on the tongue. One of the last features that Jordan wanted to bring back for this shoe with more Nike branding was on the inside of the shoe. Now, it's going to be kind of hard to tell, but if we focus in, we zoom in and focus in on it, a little bit of light in there, you guys could tell on the inside here, it actually says Nike. It has the Nike Air branding with the swoosh at the bottom, and instead of a black insole, it's actually red. In the 2011 pair, you guys would be able to see the red Jumpman and the black insole. Alright guys, so now that you guys have seen the features on this 2018 pair, I'm going to roll some detailed shots of these shoes real quick. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you like this early look at the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content every week. This is T signing out, guys. Peace!